The competition between Tecno and Infinix continues to heat up in 2026 with the launch of two powerful smartphones, the Tecno Camon 50 Ultra and the Infinix Note 60 Ultra. Both devices aim to deliver flagship level features including powerful processor, high refresh rate, AMOLED display, large displays, and advanced camera system. However, each phone focuses on different strengths, making this comparison very interesting. In this video, we'll take a detailed look at the Tecno Camon 50 and the Infinix Note 60 Ultra by comparing their designs, display, performance, camera, battery, and extra features to help you decide which one might be the better smartphone for you. Remember, also in this channel, I've done two videos of each and every phone, the Tecno Camon 50 Ultra and the Infinix Note 60 Ultra individually. So if you want to know more about any of these two phones that I'm comparing today, just go to my channel and you will see the video there. Starting with the design and build quality, both smartphones offers a premium look and feel, but they differ slightly in material and weight. The Tecno Camon 50 Ultra features a glass front protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and a glass back made with Gorilla Glass 7i, while the frame is made from plastic. The phone measures 162.4 by 77 by 7.8 millimeters and weighs only 178 grams, making it relatively slim and lightweight for a device with such a large battery and a large display. The Infinix Note 60 Ultra also uses Gorilla Glass 7i on the front but adds an aluminum frame for additional strength and durability. However, it is noticeably heavier at about 220 grams and slightly thicker at 7.9 millimeters. One unique design feature on the Note 60 Ultra is the active matrix display located on the back or the phone, which can show notification without turning on the main screen. When it comes to durability, the Tecno Camon 50 Ultra has a clear advantage because it comes with IP68 and IP69K rating, meaning it is fully dust tight and can withstand high pressure water jets as well as being submerged in water up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. The Infinix Note 60 Ultra only offers an IP64 rating, which protects it mainly from dust and water splashes. Moving on to the display, both smartphones feature large 6.78-inch AMOLED panel and a smooth 144 Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 1208 by 2644 pixels, delivering sharp visuals with around 429 pixels per inch. This means both phones provide vibrant colors, smooth scrolling, and an excellent viewing experience for watching videos, browsing social media, or playing games. The Infinix Note 60 Ultra, however, pushes brightness much further with a typical brightness of around 700 nits up to 1600 nits in high brightness mode and an impressive peak brightness of up to 4500 nits. This makes it easier to see the display outdoors in bright sunlight. It also supports Ultra HDR content and uses 2304 PWM dimming for better eye comfort during low brightness use. The Tecno Camon 50 Ultra also offers a high quality display with HDR10 support and 2160 Hz PWM dimming, and in real world test it can reach brightness levels of over 1300 nits, which is still very good for everyday use. The display is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, making it resistant to scratch and drops. When it comes to performance, the two smartphones take different approaches. The Tecno Camon 50 Ultra is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultimate processor built on a 4nm architecture. This chipset features an octa-core CPU with 4 Cortex A78 cores running on 2.6 GHz and 4 Cortex A55 efficiency cores along with Mali G615 MC2 GPU. This setup delivers smooth everyday performance, reliable multitasking, and gaming capability. The Infinix Note 60 Ultra, however, steps things up with the new and more powerful MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultimate chipset. The processor features a more advanced CPU configuration with Cortex-A725 cores and a peak clock speed of up to 3.25 GHz paired with Mali G720 MC7 GPU. As a result, the Note 60 Ultra has a clear advantage in raw performance, making it better suited for heavy gaming, demanding application, and intense multitasking. Both phones runs on Android 16 out of the box and promise up to 3 major Android upgrades. The Camon 50 Ultra runs on Tecno iOS 16 interface, while the Note 60 Ultra uses the XOS 16 interface, each offering their own customization and features. In terms of memory and storage, both phones provide generous configuration for modern users. The Tecno Camon 50 Ultra is available with either 8GB or 12GB of RAM and storage options of 256 or 512GB. The Infinix Note 60 comes with 12GB as standard and offers either 256 or 512 of internal storage. Neither phones includes a micro SD card slot, so users will rely entirely on the built-in storage capacity. The camera system on these two phones highlight different priorities. The Tecno Camon 50 Ultra features a balanced triple camera setup consisting of a 50 megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization, a 50 megapixel telephoto camera lens with 3 times optical zoom, and an 8 megapixel ultra wide lens. This configuration allows a consistent image quality across multiple focal length and performs well for portrait, landscape, and zoom photography. On the front, the Camon 50 Ultra includes a powerful 50 megapixel selfie camera with autofocus capable of recording 4K at up to 60 frames per second, making it an excellent choice for vloggers and content creators. The Infinix Note 60 Ultra focuses on extremely high resolution photography. It features a massive 200 megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization and dual pixel autofocus paired with a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto camera offering 3 times optical zoom and an 8 megapixel ultra wide lens. The device supports 4K video recording at up to 6 frames per second with HDR10 Plus support. On the front, the Note 60 includes a 32 megapixel selfie camera, while the Note 60 Ultra clearly wins in terms of raw megapixel count and zoom capability. The Camon 50 Ultra offers a stronger front camera for selfie and content creation. Audio performance is also solid on both devices. The Tecno Camon 50 Ultra features stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, delivering immersive sound for movies and gaming. The Infinix Note 60 Ultra also includes stereo speakers, but they are tuned by JBL, which may provide rich and more balanced sound. Both supports high-resolution audio playback, although neither includes a traditional 3.5mm headphone jack. Battery life is another important factor where the two phones differ significantly. The Tecno Camon 50 Ultra includes a battery ranging from 6150 mAh to 6500 depending on the model and supports 45 watts wired fast charging. The Infinix Note 60 Ultra, however, takes things further with a massive 7000 silicon battery. It also supports incredibly fast 100 watts wired charging capable of reaching 50% in just 18 minutes and a full charge in about 48 minutes. In addition to that, it supports 50 watts wireless charging and reverse wired charging and even reverse wireless charging, giving it a major advantage in charging technology. Both phones includes a wide range connectivity features such as 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, IR Blaster, USB-C, stereo speakers and in-display fingerprint sensor. However, the Infinix Note 60 Ultra includes additional sensors such as heart rate monitoring and SP02 tracking, and it even supports two-way satellite communication services, which can be extremely useful in areas with weak or no cellular coverage. Overall, both smartphones are impressive devices that target slightly different users. The Tecno Camon 50 is great option for those who want lighter phone with excellent water resistance, a high quality display, and one of the best selfie cameras in its class. The Infinix Note 60 Ultra, on the other hand, is ideal for users who prioritize maximum performance, a massive battery, ultra fast charging, and an extremely high resolution main camera. Choosing between the two ultimately depends on what features matter most to you. So that is the detailed comparison between the Tecno Camon 50 Ultra and the Infinix Note 60 Ultra. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comment section, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more smartphone comparison and tech reviews. See you in my next video. Bye.